In this video, I will explain how to import the Solidworks file into Ansys Workbench. You need to import these files into Ansys when the geometry is complex and you do not have any experience of working with design modular. So you can import from any software, any design software, the geometries into the Ansys workbench. So I in this video I will explain how to import the geometries from SolidWorks. So in this tutorial I have uh, built a shaft as shown in this figure, and now I will save this file as save as parasolid xt file. So xt file, in the xt format, parasolid format, I will save it, save, and then I will go to the project schematic and drag the static structural analysis, and in the geometry I will right click and import geometry. In the import geometry I will browse it. I saved it on the desktop, so I will go to desktop and I will select this shaft file in the xt format. When I will select it, a check mark is appeared in front of the geometry, and if I double click the geometry, now the geometry that was built in the SolidWorks is now imported in the design modular. I can view it by importing, select, hit the generate button, and you will see the shaft that has been imported into Ansys workbench. I can see its properties, that you can see that it is a solid and it has a volume of this and surface area is also mentioned.